You know, there are two good things in life: freedom of thought and freedom of action, by W. Somerset Maugham. This is an amazing and powerful quote that everyone should stop and really think about. There's nothing better than having your own freedom in your life. This can be accomplished by taking action and learning to manifest your life to its fullest potential. One shouldn't have to put their needs, goals, and dreams aside simply because you don't think they're important or worth the chance of coming true. This concept that your dreams are never going to come true and it's best to stick with reality, whatever that reality might be, is the easiest way out of taking responsibility for your life. It's so easy to just give up rather than have a strong soul that can guide you to your dreams. This path is a harder path to travel through, but the only path that can lead you to true freedom that you deserve. It's difficult to try to be strong in a society that advertises so much negativity. For example, this negativity can even be found within your own family, close friends, and work colleagues. People in general that just say you can't do something, it's out of your reach, quit living in the clouds and come back to reality. All these comments get ingrained strongly in your mind, and ultimately you fall for it and believe these comments. People have to be strong in blocking out negativity in order to be strong, have self-value, spiritual awareness, and self-worth. This isn't an easy task to do, because in this society we have been brought up to listen to other people's opinions and not question them. For example, we believe what we were taught by our parents and family members and just take it as it is, rather than question their teaching methods. You have to learn and make a wise decision and differentiate in what to block out and what not to. If someone says you can't do that simply because they have no faith in you, well, this is where your inner strength is able to shine and prove them wrong. The concept of manifestation can teach you everything you need to know about living your dream and not wishing to be able to live your dreams. Manifestation can change your life to a more positive life that's worth living. You'll be able to have all the qualities that you've always had but never practiced. Being a positive person that thinks positively and avoids negative energies is a person that has learned to manifest their life and practices manifestation daily. You too can be part of this positive circle of energy. Live the life you want to live. After all, you deserve the very best. As mentioned in the quote above, freedom is the most important thing in everyone's life. If you would like to seek this and much more, then manifestation is the answer to your dreams, which could be your reality.